Hi, I'm Sophie. I'm a pharmacist and a patient education manager at EUFOREA. I'm here to share 7 tips to help make sure that you have the best inhaler technique. Good inhaling technique is essential because it helps the medicines reach deep into your lungs, where it helps control your symptoms. It might take a few tries to get the hang of it, but with a little practice, it will get easier and more natural. First, it's important to use your inhaler regularly as prescribed. Do you find it difficult to remember sometimes? You're not alone. We know it's challenging to take regularly. Here are some simple tips to help make it easier. First, try linking it to a daily habit like brushing your teeth. Second, set a reminder on your phone. There are also apps that can send you alerts when it's time to take your dose. Whenever you use a metered dose inhaler, it's best to use a spacer. A spacer helps more of the medicine get into your lungs where it's needed, and it makes it easier to use your inhaler the correct way. Check the built-in dose counter on your inhaler to see how many doses are left. Some inhaler shows the exact number of remaining doses, while others display a red ribbon or marker when the inhaler is empty. If your inhaler doesn't have a dose counter, you'll need to keep track yourself. You can do this by writing down the date you started using it and counting how many doses you've taken. Another option is to make a note each time you use your inhaler on a piece of paper or in a booklet. You could also use a phone app to take note of how many doses you've used. Always make sure to get a new inhaler before your current one runs out. That way, you won't be caught without your medication when you need it. If you use an inhaler that contains steroids, it's important to rinse your mouth with water afterwards to help prevent side effects like oral thrush or hoarseness. If you use more than one inhaler and you find it hard to remember which one contains steroids, it's a good idea to rinse your mouth after using any inhaler, just to be safe. Also, taking care of your teeth and gums is especially important when using inhalers. Be sure to brush your teeth twice a day and see your dentist regularly. Keep your inhaler clean and dry. Wipe the mouthpiece with a dry tissue once a week and store it with the cap on. Don't wash the device with water. Have your inhaler technique checked at least once a year. Bring your inhaler with you when you see your pharmacist, GP, or respiratory specialist. Even if you've been using it for a long time, it's still a good idea to review your technique and check whether your current inhaler is still the best option for you. So, these were the 7 tips to help make the most of your inhaler technique. We hope you found it helpful and learned a lot today. See you later!